Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Au Lucas from Langley, BC. So, June 17. It's cloudy, but it's still a nice day kasi hindi masyadong malakas ang ulan. Konting ambon, cloudy, and very cold. 16 degrees I think, Celsius. Ito yung aming front yard, ginawa ni husband. Kami talaga ang nag-start nito except for the big cherry tree. Yung cherry tree already here when we moved in 2015. So ito siya. So para hindi maging bare ang cherry tree, we planted hostas. 3 klaseng hostas yan. Yellow, tapos yung isa may stripe na yellow dun sa border ng green hostas. Tapos yung sa gitna ay autumn joy. No? So dumami na dumami yung autumn joy hanggang sa napalibutan niya yung cherry tree. And lately, nagkaroon kami ng ivy. Umakyat na yung ivy. So we plan to remove the ivy maybe later part of spring or summer. So yung mga boxwood, yung nakabilog, husband ko na rin ang nag-trim niyan. Tapos yung cedar tree form a fence between neighbors. Yan, kita ninyo, wala kaming fence na like other have yung bar, iron bar, or kaya yung tinatawag na yung cedar fence, yon. Kasi mas maganda yung natural looking. So we planted cedar na medyo, siguro during that time, mga about 3 feet lang ang taas. And then, medyo payat siya. But now, look at that. Very robust, healthy, and parang mighty and strong. So, yung husband ko, pinlat on top. So, gumanda naman kasi yung harap ng cedar, nilagay namin ng iba't ibang flowering plants. Meron kami dyan. Hindi pa lumalabas. Usually, summer yan lalabas. Yung black-eyed Susan, which is yellow. Tapos may dark brown in the middle. Tapos meron kaming magnolia with pink flowers, light pink flowers, pero single ang petals ng flowers. And then we have Solomon vine, and then what's that? Earlams. Tapos meron din kami lamb ear, sabi ng husband ko. Kinurek ako. Tapos meron kaming japonica, pussy willow. Yung nakikita nyo yung small tree na katabi ng cedar, pussy willow yan, no? Dala namin yan from Fleetwood Townhouse. As I mentioned before, may mga halaman din ako from that townhouse na nakalagay sa pots, no? Kasi naisip ko, ilagay yung pots kasi yung townhouse, they maintain the garden. May mini garden ka doon, but they already planted some flowering plants common to all homeowners. But ako, gusto ko talaga yung roses na akin, no? Tinignan ko kung marunong pa rin ako maghalaman. So this one, kami na lahat, no, maliban sa cherry tree. So boxwood, daylily, and then conifers, and lately nga inad namin itong what's that? Sage, flowering sage, harapan. Tapos Shasta daisies, yung white, yung nakikita nyo sa harapan. Merong white gumamela, and that will flower by mid of summer. So yan. Tapos yung candy top in between boxwood, wala nang flowers kasi usually ang white flowers ng candy top are in bloom early spring up to the middle of spring. Pero ngayon kasi late spring na, wala na. Parang naging ano lang siya, ground cover. So, yung daylily, hellebores, yung hellebores have about 3 colors, yellow, green, pink, and white. So, yan yun. Lalabas yan. Supposed to be, pero ang flower niya, lumabas lang light green. No? So, yung daylily coming out, kita nyo yung yellow, small yellow. Hindi ako pumunta kasi I wanted you to see the aerial view. No? Yung actual doon sa baba, pagka i-close up ko, makikita ninyo. Tapos yung in front of our door, meron 3 uling cedar tree na tinanim ng owner so that merong konting privacy from the road. Yan yung ano. And then, in front of the 3 cedar trees, dun sa front door, meron din kami nilagay dyan na mga kita nyo, merong yellow there, no? Yung yellow na yan is another parang Japanese kind of flowers na meron sa Pilipinas, but ito, this kind of plant here, tropical plants, but would stand yung severe weather ng during winter. Ang pagkakaiba lang, medyo nawawala yung kanyang dahon, but it comes back kasi perennial sila. So, yan. Most of the plants in the front yards are perennial kasi it's so expensive now to have a small garden. No? Kaya, ganyan na lang ginagawa namin. We try to select plants that are perennial so they keep coming every year. And iba nagiging variegated, others maintain their original identity. No? So, yan. Ito, magnolia. Yan yung magnolia ko. And then, meron na din ako pine cone nandun sa ano. Yung isa na red, parang background ng cedar, babawasan din namin kasi nag-i-encroach na sa neighborhood. So, may roses ako pero potted. Kasi sabi nila, mahirap din ang may rose, baka may matinik na bata. So, yan. But yung ivy, makikita ninyo, malaki na, umakyat na nga sa taas ng cherry tree. Siguro sooner or later, ikakat uli namin yung ivy na yan so that it will not grow up to the top. Kasi sometimes napapatay nila yung ano yung mismong pinaka-host tree. Kasi ganyan sila yung mga invasive ang ano ang IB. Ito pa naman napakabilis. Pero 2 klaseng IB yan no? Inilagay ko lang yung isa. I didn't know that it will go up like that. So, ito, more or less, nakita nyo na anong aming front yard. Marami pang dapat, especially the grasses. Dapat lagyan siya ng topsoil para mag-grow uli. Kasi by summer, talagang we are limited in terms of watering the plant. Kailangan handheld hose kung gusto mong magdilig, but merong hours. How many hours ba yun? Parang sandali lang. At saka kasi they try to save water. Kaya nga yung mas maganda, meron kang drum. So, during rainy days, ma-fill up mo yung drum para during dry season, summer, pwede ka gumamit. But for a limited time, may mga days nga kami according to the address number. Kung even ka, ganitong day ka. Kung odd number ang ending ng house mo, etong days ka lang. So, may mga watchdog, no? They will report to the township pagka nagba-violate ka. For example, pinabiyaan mo yung water hose mo na keep on running the whole day. Naku, huwag kang mag-alala at huwag kang tawag dito, don't be too complacent kasi i-report ka ng neighbor mo. And you don't know sino nag-report sa'yo. Kaya, dapat very vigilant ka in terms of using water wisely. So, ito yung front yard for now. And, pinakita ko sa inyo to kasi ito yung gawa ni husband. na very creative in making the garden looks beautiful, and kala mo meron kang taga-landscape pero siya lang to. Kaya pagka binubutas ko yung mga nagagalit siya kasi hindi yun ang nasa isip niya. Pero nakakalusot din ako minsan, kaya may mga butas-butas yan. Kasi pag meron akong nabibiling mga perennial, I wanted to plant in front, nagagawa kong itanim, pero siya na lang nag-aayos. So, nakikita nyo yung white bench sa harapan, gawa din yan ng asawa ko. Tapos pinatong ko muna dun yung mga solar light para sa gabi maliwanag. So, that's all for now. I just wanted to share with you yung creation ni Mr. Lucas at how he makes use of time after almost 10 years in Langley, BC. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. And if you have comments, if you have question, ilagay nyo lang sa comments para masagot ko. Kasi may mga previous inquiries at saka comments. Ang ganda, nagkakaroon kami ng engagement ng mga viewers. Thank you so much again sa lahat ng nag-like o magla-like ng video ko. And see you sometime next week for another video. Bye for now. This is Au Lucas from Langley, BC. Goodbye.